Hello and welcome to Pilates Flex and Stretch, and we're using mind, body, piano music today. So it's a lovely, relaxing, mat-based stretch session. So just 5 minutes down on the mat. Join in with me at home. You just need a little bit of space just so you can lay on the floor. So we're coming down onto our backs, belly button in towards spine. So we're just going to lift our hips and at the same time bring one arm back over the head, slowly lower down. And same on the other side, lift up, extend, and then slowly down. So in a long class we break this down quite a lot more. Then both arms come over and then slowly down. Both arms come over, slowly down. And then we're going to bring one knee up into the chest. Point and extend, flex the foot, slowly lower down. And the knees return, knee comes in again. Flex the foot, lower down, and replace. And we'll do the same on the other side. So we're going to bring the knee in, point the toe, flex the foot, slowly lower down, and return. Knee comes in, point, flex, lower down, and return. So I'm going to bring the knees up now, above the hips. Lift one up, then the other. And we're just going to drop the knees side to side. So just let the head follow the knees. And over and back. To the other side, let the knees come over and back. So if you find it too uncomfortable to keep your knees up, you could do it from low down. Or if you want to challenge yourself, you can take the legs over long into the other side. Place the feet. So one more bit to add in. Just tuck the knees into the chest. Big toes together, knees wide. And just rock up and come back. So rolling up and then just dropping back. Come up and back. Bring it up again. Knees together. Come back onto the floor. So knees bent, feet flat on the floor, belly button towards spine. We're going to lift the hips, extend back, and lower down. Lift and extend, lower down. Both together, lift, extend, and come down. Lift and extend, and slowly return. So knee comes in, point the toe, extend, flex, lower, and return. Knee in, point the toe, flex, lower, and return. So we do the same on the other side. So just keeping this quite basic. Knee in, point, flex, and lower. Knee comes in, point the toe, flex the foot, lower down. So, and take the arms wide, knees come up, and just take the knees over to one side, then the other side, start. We're going to rock her and come back. One more time. Rock up, knees in. So I hope you enjoyed that mini Fitness Pilates flex and stretch session with the lovely, lovely mind body piano music. Very, very chill, very relaxing. Join me again soon for more Pilates and other classes. Thanks for joining me.